And what we're going to do now, we're going to go back inside the house and I'm going to show you the rest of the house. This right here is an outdoor sitting area. As you can see, it holds up to 8 people. There's a tree right here that provides some shade in the summer. And then we have a really oversized patio right here where we have a couple different sitting areas. And then we have some outdoor art. This is the Roadrunner by that same artist, Diana Madras. And this Roadrunner is native to the Sonoran Desert. It's so fun because you'll see animals and birds running around the desert. And it's just so fun to see all of the different wildlife. Now, I forgot to mention this earlier, but in this first living area, this right here is actually a pull-out couch. It's a queen-size bed, has a queen-size mattress underneath. There's 4 bedrooms here, and then there's 2 additional pull-out couches. So this house can comfortably house 12 guests at any one time. And this is bedroom number 1. This is a queen-size bed. You'll see the TV on the opposite side of the wall here. You'll also see some fun art. Another painting from Diana, one of my favorite southwestern artists, and just a really, really beautiful painting. And then we also have some fun southwestern art above the bed there. Next, we are going to go into the master. And here is the master bedroom. And guess what? We have some more coyotes on the wall here. We have wildlife photos just all throughout the house. Again, we want to have that desert feel kind of everywhere we go. This is the master. We have a king-size bed. We also have some more desert art on the wall right here. One thing that's fun about the master is that the master is big enough to where it can have its own separate sitting area. So over here, we have another separate sitting area with a table. This is also a pull-out couch. So if you're a family and you want to have your younger kids in the bedroom with you, well, parents can stay in the king-size bed, and then this right here is a queen pull-out. And then you'll also see that it has access to a back patio here. One thing that's really cool is the master has its own patio and sitting area. You can just come out here, and then it also has its own little table and sitting area. Very private, very secluded. All right, well, now we're going to head into the master bathroom. And this is a fun bathroom. It has the big tub right here, shower right here, marble countertops, 2 sinks. The bathroom here is very large, marble countertops, 2 sinks, toilet is back here. And you can see that it's a very large and spacious bathroom. Let's continue our tour. All right, we're back in the hallway here, and this is another just fun little sitting area. We had the hallway bathroom when we first came in. We had the second bathroom with the master, and this is the third bathroom. This is also a full-size bathroom here. And this is for the last 2 bedrooms. So we've already shown the first 2 bedrooms, guests in the back end of the home. This is the bathroom that they would use. And here we go, we have some more fun art. This is a piece from 2015. Here's bedroom number 3. This bedroom, the window faces the front of the home. And so you have some really incredible views. Once again, it's decorated in a Southwest styled flair. This room here also has its own desk. We try to put desks in a lot of different areas of the home. We know that a lot of people want to work remotely. They enjoy having that amenity. And then this right here, this is bedroom number 4. And so bedroom number 4 also has its own desk. This is a twin. It also has a pull-out, so there's actually 2 beds here. Now, the reason that this home does so well is because of the size. It's nearly 3,000 square feet. It is on an acre. It's very private. It's secluded from other homes. There's really only one other home that you can actually see, but the biggest reason that it does so well is because of the elevation, the views, the amenities, the fact that you feel like you're plugged into the desert. Guests love having the pool heated. They love being able to get into the spa in the evening and stargaze and look at mountains all around them, being in the middle of a valley. Well, thank you once again. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, share, and subscribe. We're still trying to build out the channel. This is Ben Adams with the American Offset Mortgage.